Yeah, just slow it down that little bit, just like that. That would be better. A little bit of back pressure will help.
Whiskey Kilo Mike, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Whiskey Kilo Mike.
Alright, a little bit slow, a little bit of power. Come around there. Nice and balanced.
And Whiskey Kilo Mike, and we'll request a low-level circuit to overtake preceding aircraft.
Whiskey Kilo Mike approved.
Whiskey Kilo Mike.
Can you check no one on the runway?
That's it, no one's on the runway.
Turning crosswind, Whiskey Kilo Mike.
Alright, a little bit of power there. Good. Just flaring a little bit high there. Good. Keep it pointing down towards those piano keys and use the power to help you there. There we go. Trickling it off, not yet. Keeping it coming down. There's where we want to transition. But trickle off the power, otherwise you're going to float. There you go. How are you feeling?
Whiskey Kilo Mike, clear touch and go.
Feeling a bit
Clear
tired?
touch and go, Whiskey Kilo Mike.
Time-wise, you want to make this one a full stop?
What would you say?
Do you want to make this one a full
And
stop?
Whiskey Kilo Mike will resume normal circuits after this touch and go.
Whiskey Kilo Mike.
Thought this is my exam next.
Yeah, your exam next. You don't want to get too tired for that, do you?
Tango Mike, back downwind for a full stop.
Tango Mike, follow the Citabria low-level turning base.
How about we do a
Traffic and
glide
Tango
approach
Mike,
on this one?
What's that?
A glide approach on this one?
Yeah.
Yeah? So keep that nose up a little bit. There we go. I will say Bravo Delta Foxtrot's downwind for a touch and go and request glide approach. We'll have to follow the traffic, so we'll give ourselves a little bit of extra spacing while we're out here on crosswind.
My traffic.
Yeah, that's who we've got to follow. Alright, you can start to come around there. So, Whiskey Kilo Mike short finals there. They're about to touch and go, and then you got Tango Mike there. We'll see if we can get it. Otherwise, just say Bravo Delta Foxtrot. Downwind for a full stop.
1500 over Mayfield, inbound information, Bravo request through 800.
Romeo Whiskey, report copy bridge 800.
Report company bridge 800, Romeo Whiskey.
Down a little bit, we're just gaining on them, I think.
54 Delta Foxtrot, downwind to stop.
Bravo Delta Foxtrot, follow the Cherokee on base.
Traffic size, 54 Delta Foxtrot.
Mike, clear to land and taxi to parking.
Clear to land, taxi to parking, Tango Mike.
Alright, so you can just fly it like a spacing to them. They are doing a full stop as well.
I might be also extend my downwind.
Maybe just a little bit.
Yeah.
We can come around now, that'll look good. They fly a very wide circuit. Yeah, good. So just keep that little bit of power on to hold your height and make sure it's all trimmed out. Beautiful. A bit of power there for that sink. Remember, we are wider out, so it no longer comes about that height target. We got to just think about what's actually happening outside the aircraft. Start judging it from there. So yeah, a little bit of power. Come around when you're ready.
Whiskey Kilo Mike, downwind, touch and go.
Whiskey Kilo Mike, follow the Cherokee on final.
Traffic in sight, Whiskey Kilo Mike.
Nice. So we've still got that guy there. He's doing a full stop, so hopefully he clears the runway by the time that we get there. And if not, we know what to do.
Go around.
That's it.
Bravo Delta Foxtrot, clear to land and taxi to parking.
Clear to land, taxi to parking, Bravo Delta Foxtrot.
Alright, beautiful. Just flaring that little bit high again. So, yeah, that's it. Get yourself back where you want to be speed-wise and start to close that throttle. Not yet, not flaring yet. Get it that little bit lower. There we go. Little bit of left foot. Bit of right foot there. Little bit of power. We won't make that. We'll just roll out to the next one. A little bit of power because we've got some traffic behind us. Off those brakes. Okay, off the brakes. Power comes down. Take this one here. Come around. There we go. Nice bumpy grass taxiway, eh? Alright.
Whiskey Kilo Mike, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Whiskey Kilo Mike.
Oh, so hot. A little bit less power there. Just enough to keep you rolling. Not so you need to press the brakes. A little bit of right foot, right foot. There we go.
Romeo, Whiskey, copy bridge 800, request 24, full stop.
Romeo, Whiskey, cleared visual approach number 1.
Clear visual approach number 1, Romeo, Whiskey.
Just check if anyone else is flying this one. It's all done for the day, so we might park this one up in front of the hangar.
Romeo, Whiskey, clear to land and taxi to parking.
Clear to land, taxi to parking, Romeo, Whiskey. And Captain Tower, Whiskey Kilo Mike on upwind. Request low-level circuits if possible.
Whiskey Kilo Mike, that's approved. Follow a Starbury mid downwind.
Hello, Starbury, I'm in downwind, low level, traffic in sight, Whiskey Kilo Mike.
So because the Satabri is there, I might just help you with taxiing in past this one. I've got control.
Control.
Thank you. We'll just come past them on the other side and we'll pop it up in the hangar.
Whiskey Kilo Mike, downwind, low level, touch and go.
Whiskey Kilo Mike.
Alrighty. Stop this guy here.
What to